Okay, hello everyone. Today we will be taking up the CCC 2023 Junior Number 1 Triangling, and Bossy the Builder have just finished constructing her latest project, and there are 2 rows of triangle. 0 means white and 1 means black, and he is going to use the yellow tape to circle around those black triangles, and if those triangles are together, he will not waste extra yellow tape. He will just circle the most outer shape. And let's talk about how do we solve it. Okay, so I draw 2 little diagrams, and our strategy is that we count how many triangles are there, and then we get a sum, how many black triangles are there, we multiply by 3, and then we try to decrease the sum if 2 triangles are sharing one edge with each other. We scan through horizontally, and so we loop through the n to n minus 1 triangles, and we test if, for example, if I equals to 1, we test if the next triangle is also black. If it is, that means they share an edge, and we minus the sum by 2. And we also need to scan vertically. So if so there's 2 kind of situation. If the number is odd here, if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indexed. So if this is odd, we will find that the 2 triangles will share an edge. If this is even, they don't share an edge. So if we loop through, then if this is odd, we minus 2. Suppose these 2 are black. And if this is even, we just don't care. And let's take a look at the code. So this is the code. We declare triangle and sum. We push back using a vector. I think we should just use a string. And we sum the number of triangle multiplied by 3. And then if we check horizontally, there are 2 consecutive black triangle. We minus the sum by 2. If this is vertically and the index is multiple of 2, and we also minus 2. And don't forget, because what I do is here a minus 1 is not to a over here, and you also need to check the last you also need to check the last column if this is even or odd, because it could possibly trigger, and we print the sum. And that's all about it. Thank you.